Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today I am making crispy Parmesan potato wedges. So that ought to be really good with our hamburgers tonight that we're cooking out on the grill. So let's get started. Okay, we'll start off with putting in our olive oil, our garlic and onion powder, our paprika, our dried oregano, our salt and pepper, so we want to mix this up. Now we're going to get our potatoes. We'll set this aside. This little pie plate, I'm going to put grated Parmesan cheese. This is what we'll dredge our potato wedges in. Okay, now we're going to cut our potatoes into wedges. I don't know how thick. I think that might be a good thickness. We want them to get done. So, okay, we're gonna go with this. Well, that's it. Well, I'll cut this side. Okay, we have our potatoes cut, and now we're going to put them in this oil and seasoning mixture, and then onto this plate of grated Parmesan cheese. Then we'll put them on the sheet pan and put them in the oven. Okay. We're off to the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 400. Well, they're done. I still had 4 minutes to go, so they got done a little bit earlier than what I thought they would. These are a little bit overdone. Okay, folks, our crispy Parmesan potato wedges are done. And I want to try them without any sauces or anything. So, they look delicious. They absolutely look delicious. I like that. Definitely got a crunchiness to it with the Parmesan and then all the spices on it. It just really enhances this potato. Oh, you'll like this. Wow, that's something new to put in the books. I really like this. And you can't have any rigor. So, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps out our channel. And have a wonderful day.